So just a little recap on what this thing is here. So this is an industrial like cement concrete mixer, whatever you want to call it. And basically I've rented this out to make things a lot easier for me. I think it was like 30 quid for the weekend from HSS Hire. But you know, there's Speedy Hire and loads of other companies who do it. Basically it cuts out tons and tons of work, because otherwise you have to mix your cement and concrete by hand using like shovels and spades. Whereas with this one, you know, you just bang all the ingredients in and it does the job for you. So yeah, so I really recommend getting one of these. Again, it looks really scary, and it's something that only maybe like professional builders use, and that's what some people might think. But honestly, just the layman can use this, like myself. You know, I've never used one of these before. So yeah, so basically I'm just going to fill it up with all the powders now, and then put a new mix on. Yeah, so let's get at it. Okay, so we're 5 or 6 days into the reno, so just let's have a little quick update. Let's have a look. So yeah, all the front garden all put down. That was an absolute such a big job, so I'm going to put that done, and let's take a look inside. Straight into the living room. Absolute building site. So what have we done here? So obviously all the old floors are up. You can't really see anything annoyingly with everything's in the way, but you can see that the old fireplace used to be here, used to be there obviously, so that's all plastered and all nice and smooth and drying out. And then other than that, we've done a bit of painting from the walls as well, which is good. So going through to the kitchen, so you can see the old flooring. So basically we've managed to do cemented 3/4 of the floor. So we made it all nice and level. So you can see in the previous video all the tiles were all rubbish and, you know, a bit worn out. So I took them all up by hand. You can see the cement mix there, which I've been using. And then all the kitchen cupboard doors are off. Took them off yesterday and they have been painted, sanded and painted, and they're just drying out. There, so we're going for this like a neutral white colour. And we'll have a quick look at outside. So a quick look outside. And this is the state of the back garden, so we're using it as a bit of a tipping ground at the moment. So you got loads of rubble there. Yeah, it's just an absolute tip in the back garden. So I think we've got a couple skips coming maybe next week to take away all the rubbish, which will be good. But you can see it's just rubble. That's actually the old fireplace hearth. So it was actually like pure marble. So yeah, that was really heavy to take out. So we'll go back through. So yeah. So I'm really impressed with this cement. Done this myself. Well, me and my dad, Big Steve, we've been doing this yesterday. Just made it all nice level, so the plan is to get that done. And then yeah, and then this room's ready for the new flooring to go down. So I'll take a quick step upstairs. So a lot of painting has been done already. So we'll quickly look at the front bedroom. You can see I have my sister labouring in here. £10 an hour, not bad. Yeah, she's worth £10 an hour, judging by this painting. Not bad. But you can see that is actually the original colour of what the room was. So the walls and skirting board, and that is the new white colour. So you can see how much of a difference just a bit of white paint was. So yeah, so we're heading over. So just quickly, nothing's happened in the bathroom. Still the same. Got all the paintbrushes drying out there. So this will be the last room to get done out. But like I said in one of the earlier videos, there's actually not much to be done in the bathroom, which is a godsend. Heading into the back bedroom. So again, 3/4 painted. But if you remember, there was, in the earlier videos, there was a bit of damp here. So basically it ended up taking that wall back, taking the alcoving off, and then just a bit of browning plaster in there, just made it all nice and smooth. Unfortunately, I had to take there was kind of like an Artex ceiling paper on, but because of the damp had spread from the wall into the ceiling there, so unfortunately all the ceiling paper had to come down, so I'm stuck with this. It's green at the moment, so yeah, the plan is just to skim that with plaster and then paint it. So what are my impressions so far? So we are on roughly day 6 or 7, I'm not too sure, all the days are blended into one at the moment. And overall things are going well, dare I say, touch wood. I think everything's kind of going as expected. A lot of the painting upstairs has been done, the emulsion and the glossing, which is really, really good. Downstairs, I think the only really hiccup we've had is that we had to put some new cement down in the kitchen floor because the subfloor was of such a poor standard. But that's something that I couldn't have predicted because there were tiles there. So until I took those tiles up, I had no idea what condition that subfloor was going to be in. But you know, we overcame that. We got the cement mixer, which you've probably seen videos of, and yeah, and that had a potential to be a really, really big job and a really big hiccup. But you know, it went smoothly in the end of the day. I think if you look behind me, you know, the whole place is just a building site. It's absolute chaos at the moment, but overall it's coming together very slowly, and I'm really happy of where the project is at, and I'm also really appreciative of all my family and friends who've been helping out also. So yeah, I think that is all for today. I really hope you're enjoying the channel. I'm really hoping you're enjoying these like update videos. And yeah, so please stay tuned. Honestly, it means a lot, all the support that you guys have been giving me. And yeah, stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do. You know, plenty more entertainment, plenty more episodes of this series to come. And overall, yeah, hope you have a great day. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.